how to write a review on Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can review the products. First of all, go to the website named Sephora.com. So now this interface will pop up. Here, you can select the product that you want to review. So here I'm tapping on one. Now we are in this product details. So here you'll be able to see everything about this product. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom part. So after scrolling down, here you'll be able to find a section called Write a Review. So this is a section where you can write a review. Simply tap on Write a Review. Now it will take you to a different page. Here you'll be able to review the product, add your comment and even rate it. So you can add any of the comment and the review about your product here. So this will even be saved for later and other customers and user will be able to view your review too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.